Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by getting both devices ready, because a stable network and matching accounts make the rest simple. Put on the Quest 3, update firmware, and connect it to the same Wi-Fi as your PC. Once done, enable AirLink or Oculus Link in quick settings, or open a trusted remote desktop app for VR. On the computer, install and run the companion client, sign in with the same account, and grant any firewall or network permissions so the headset can discover the PC. Next, you select and configure the streaming path because quality depends on settings. If you use AirLink or Oculus Link, enable it in the PC Oculus app. For virtual desktop, install the streamer and enter the code shown on headset. Then adjust bitrate, encoder hardware preferred, and refresh rate to balance latency and visuals. Make sure your GPU drivers are current and map inputs for mouse, keyboard, or VR controllers. Finally, run a short test stream to confirm smooth tracking and audio. To finish, you optimize and learn one key troubleshooting step so sessions stay reliable. Choose a 5 GHz network or plug your PC into Ethernet and keep the headset close to the router. If you see stutter or lag, lower streaming bitrate, switch to hardware encoding, and close heavy background processes. Should problems persist, reboot both headset and PC, recheck firewall and app permissions, and verify the companion client and headset are on the same account and network. This single
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.